And come back down. That's good. Come on back down. Keep going. You're not even hitting the brakes right then. What's that? While you were going in reverse?
Yeah.